The Super General Inverter Series front-load washer-dryer combo is designed with your needs in mind and delivers unparalleled durability, efficiency, and ease of use. This premium model comes with special features and programs that make it an ideal choice for your washing and drying needs. The powerful BLDC inverter motor is energy-saving and has a longer life compared to normal universal motors. It reduces vibration and delivers a quieter, more efficient, and stable performance. The high speed of up to 1400 RPM ensures that your washed clothes come out drier. The machine has a special 1-hour wash and dry function which delivers a time and energy-efficient wash cycle for a small wash load of up to 1 kilogram. The big front door gives you easy access to the inside of the machine, making it convenient to put in and take out the clothes. You can also pause the wash cycle to add in any clothes that were missed. The touch panel LED display gives a premium look and ensures ease of use. The special water cube drum design can deliver deep cleaning effect, helping dissolve all stubborn stains. Pre-wash feature is designed to wash out difficult stains from garments. This function adds a pre-wash for the clothes. When the extra rinse option is selected, the washing machine will add an extra rinse cycle to the program. It also has a unique air wash program to help remove unpleasant smells and odor from your clothes without water or detergent. Pre-configured wash programs make sure you have the perfect settings to deal with any washing challenge that comes your way. From delicate innerwear to after-workout gym wear, bed sheets, and towels, each wash program is designed to deliver optimal and hygienic cleaning for all your needs. Enjoy great washing results while saving on energy consumption with the front-load washer-dryer from Super General.